गए दिन भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे।
Whenever we hear about death, we feel miserable. We are afraid. We cry when we see others dead, but only for some time. After that, it's a comedy. But saints and sages do not cry at the time of death, nor do they fear death. But what they fear, what they cry for, they also cry, but for the death that takes place moment to moment. And therefore, those of you who may have read Mahamrityunjaya Mantra commentary, if you have not, get it, read it. There we have spoken about many forms of death. We only fear one death, but our childhood died, our youth died, our mature age is dying, and we have no regrets of that. And we are afraid of this body's death. Therefore, saints, they weep not of the death that people fear and cry of, but of life wasted, of time that was wasted. Because Kala or time is death, and all changes take place in time. And that which is destroyed in time cannot be brought back again. An opportunity lost in time is dead. And therefore they weep on a life that is lost, not a body that is going to die. And this very, very famous and very, very beautiful, but very, very deep and profound bhajan by Kabir Das ji, Beet gaye din, bhajan bina re, bhajan bina re. So what should we cry for?
बीत गए दिन, बीत गए दिन, भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे। बीत गए दिन भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे। बीत गए दिन भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे। बीत गए दिन भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे। अवस्था खेल गवाई, बाल अवस्था, बाल अवस्था, बाल अवस्था खेल गवाई, बाल अवस्था खेल गवाई। जब जो बन तब मान घना रे, जब जो बन तब मान घना रे, जब जो बन तब मान घना रे, बीत गए रे भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे। लाहे कारण मूल गवायो, लाहे कारण मूल गवायो, लाहे कारण मूल गवायो, लाहे कारण मूल गवायो। अजहु न गई मन की तृष्णा रे, अजहु न गई मन की तृष्णा रे, बीत गए भजन बिना रे, बीत गए दिन भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे। कहत कबीर, कहत कबीर, कहत कबीर, कबीर, कहत कबीर सुनो बंसारो, कहत कबीर सुनो बंसारो, कहत कबीर सुनो बंसारो, कहत कबीर सुनो बंसारो। पार उतर गई, पार उतर गई संत जना रे, पार उतर गई संत जना रे, बीत गए भजन बिना रे, बीत गए भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे। बाल अवस्था खेल गवाई, बाल अवस्था खेल गवाई। जब जो बन तब मान घना रे, जब जो बन तब मान घना रे, प्रीत गए भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे, भजन बिना रे।
The regrets, the tears that we should be shedding is not at the time of death, but when each day each stage of our life passes without bhajan of Bhagwan. Bhajan means seeking. Bhajan means loving. Bhajan means knowing. Bhajan means serving. If none of this we have done in the day has been wasted. Bal avastha khel gawai. Childhood went away in play, games, toys, mischief. Jab joban tab maan ganare. And when the beauty of youthfulness came, then at that time, a lot of pride, arrogance. Yeah. That is how life has a maan ganare. And lahe karan mool gavayo. For the mere interest or for a profit or some small gain, you lost the capital itself. Aju na goi man ki trishnari. And still this craving, this greed, this thirst, yeah, has not yet gone. Therefore, kahat Kabir suno bhai sadho. If anybody who crossed over this ocean of samsara and this ocean of grief and this ocean of transmigration and this ocean of change of life and death, it is only Santjana, those who know the truth. Those who live their life crying for God and regretting that each day passed without service of Bhagwan. When Hanumanji comes to Ramchandraji and he says, how is Sita, yeah, living in such misery? And my devotee and my sevak, even in the dream cannot suffer, then why is Sita suffering? Bhagwan means to say, where did my law go wrong? Yeah. How can Sita suffer? Yeah. Because na me bhakta pranashyati. My devotee can never perish. So, how can? And Bhagwan, and see what Hanumanji replies. I won't repeat what I had said in the Gopika Geet for those of you who were here. That for the gopis, the only sorrow is tad vismarane parama vyakulata. One moment of forgetfulness is that excruciating suffering. And Bhagwan says, that alone is a problem and that alone is a sorrow for the devotee. Hanumanji says to Ramchandri, Jab tava bhajana simran na hoi. That when your seva and your remembrance is not there. So Sita's suffering is not because of any things she has or does not have. It's just that she does not have the privilege of your seva. That is the bhajan. Par utar gaye sant janare. So those saints, they go across. They cry each day. They weep each day. Now the mysterious pictures that was given in the first thing, which I have explained elaborately so that you can understand that, and rather than going back, now here Sant Kabir Das Ji himself is explaining how this Maya is spread everywhere, and so difficult to rise above this Maya, and also gives the answer how to. Maya taju taji nahi jai. If I try to give up Maya, really speaking, I cannot. Yeah? Fir Maya mohi lapatai. Again and again, somewhere or the other, I try to give up wealth, it'll trap me in something else. I try to give up things, it'll trap me in something else. All I've explained already. So Maya taju taji nahi jai, fir Maya mohi lapatai. First of all, even if you have given up everything, and you must read Ishwar Darshan by Taponji Maharaj. He says, all external desire, lust, etc. does not remain with anybody for too long and can be given up. But two things that can entrap even a sadhu, not woman, not this, it is this tongue, because you have to eat. Then you get attached to all these ammas who give you good food. When we are brahmacharis, we know. Because unavoidable to put everything you might give up, but this sense organ of taste, you cannot. No, it will be there. That's why even ashram you come, you get such good food, but then you don't get pizza, then you don't get this, then you don't get that. No? How your mind will go there only. And the other thing is, if you have renounced everything, that man and adar that you get, adar that you get, that also, if sannyasis are not careful, their Maya can trap them. And Taponji Maharaj is written there, and that's why these words of Kabir make so much meaning, that Maya adhar, Maya man, Maya nahi taha Brahma Gyan. Where there is Brahma Gyan, there only there is no Maya. Means the direct knowledge of the infinite truth, then only there is no Maya. Maya rasa. Maya is pleasure, and that's why especially rasa of the tongue. Maya kar jaan, Maya karni taje pran. Maya also affection. And for that little affection or that little pleasure, we are ready to end our life. Remember that drop of honey. Yeah. Remember that fox who praised the crow to drop the only meal from its mouth, saying that you can sing so well. I've given all these explanations. Maya japa tapa Maya jog. Now you said, why with yogini is there? Otherwise, so many, they are all beautiful meanings that you can keep on taking out, because endless, akatha it is. But all the meanings that I have given you in the previous verse about Maya is what he said. And even yesterday when you heard Kabir Das ji slashing, Murti Puja, chanting, screaming, this, that. Because we get stuck in the means. The practice, the sadhana, not reaching the sadhya, not understanding the purpose of that sadhana, the purpose of that symbol, the purpose of that murti, the purpose of that mandir, masjid, gurdwara, the purpose of all the attires, etc. So therefore, we get stuck in the sadhana, and therefore in the sadhana, the bhakti of the bhakta, the tapas of a tapasvi. The practice of meditation of the meditator. Yeah. We get attached to our japa, tapa, more to the means. And people also, when they do puja also, no, they are so involved in the puja that whose puja is being done is not thought of. Even when you call a special guest, you're too busy preparing for the guest that the guest you don't meet only. Isn't it? See the irony of it. So, Maya jap tap, Maya jog, Maya bande sabahi log. All the beings are trapped into Maya. Maya jal thal, Maya akash. In the waters is Maya, in the sky is Maya. Yeah. The earth is Maya. Maya vyapi rahi chahu pasi. All four sides Maya is spread. Are in your house, Maya Pita, Maya Mata. Therefore, Shankaracharya says, ask, who's your mother, who's your father? And for mother and father, you know where your mind is even now. Those who have come with your children. Some people mind what? They are with their children only. Yeah. All these attachments bind us. And therefore, where can you escape Maya? You leave your home and go somewhere, there is another Maya. Therefore, run nowhere from Maya, because Maya is spread everywhere in this world. There is only one place where there is no Maya. Yeah. That in that pure, infinite Brahman, in the knowledge of Brahman, there is no Maya. But to get that knowledge, you have to free yourselves from this entanglement. And where can you go to free this from yourself, this entanglement? Kabir Das ji says, Maya mari kare vyauhar, kahe Kabir mere Ram Aadhar. Bhagavad Gita also Krishna says, if you want to get out of Maya, hold on to the one who is beyond Maya. And therefore, you cannot escape Maya anywhere, because everywhere. But Maya mari kare vyauhar. And how? Mere Ram Aadhar. That whatever you do, whether your secular, family, duties, holding on to Bhagwan, offering to Bhagwan, giving up all worries, surrendering to Bhagwan, you do all your actions. Even your puja, japa, tapa, namaz, prayer, chanting, even results of your actions, your success, your failure, Rama Aadhar. And therefore Bhagwan says, Mam anusmara yudhya cha. If you are a sannyasi, if you are a tapasvi, if you are a yogi, if you are a grahastha, family person, be aware of these attachments, these false expectations, and keeping only Bhagwan as your goal and your means, which is called as Ananya Bhakti. you do your actions in the world. If you keep your mind to your actions, imaginations will not affect you. If you keep your mind on the truth, then it will not affect you. So, this is, so Maya Mari Kare Vyohar, Vyohar means Vyohar, Kahe Kabir Mere Ram Adhar. So as long as we are in this world, we have to do something. Either you do materialistically or you do spiritually. Keep your mind busy with work. But whatever work you do, Rama Adhar. Keep your mind on Ram. He is your support. He is your shelter. Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama. And then you'll see Kabir Das ji saying the same.